Narasimha Kavacham, Vakshe Prahladenuditam, Pura Sarva Rakshakaram, Punyam Sarvopadrava Nashanam. I shall now recite the Narasimha Kavaka, formerly spoken by Prahlada Maharaja. It is most pious, vanquishes all kinds of impediments, and provides one all protection. Sarva Sampatkaram, Chaiva Svarga Moksha, Pradayakam Dyatva, Narasimham Devesham, Hema Simhasanastitam. It bestows upon one all opulences and can give one elevation to the heavenly planets or liberation. One should meditate on Lord Narasimha, Lord of the universe, seated upon a golden throne. Vivrtasyam, Trinayanam, Sharad Indu Samaprabham, Lakshmi Alingitavamangam, Vibhutibir Upashritam. His mouth is wide open, he has 3 eyes, and he is as radiant as the autumn moon. He is embraced by Lakshmi Devi on his left side, and his form is the shelter of all opulences, both material and spiritual. Katur Bujam Komalangam, Svarna Kundala Shobitam, Saroja Shobitoraskam, Ratna Keyura Mudritam. The Lord has 4 arms, and his limbs are very soft. He is decorated with golden earrings. His chest is resplendent like the lotus flower, and his arms are decorated with jewel-studded ornaments. Tapta Kanchana Sankasham, Pita Nirmala Vasasam, Indradi Sura Maulishta, Sfuran Manikya Diptibhi. He is dressed in a spotless yellow garment, which exactly resembles molten gold. He is the original cause of existence, beyond the mundane sphere, for the great demigods, headed by Indra. He appears bedecked with rubies, which are blazingly effulgent. Virajita Pada, Dvanvam, Shankachakradi, Hetibhi, Garutmata, Chavinayat Stuyamanam, Mudanvitam. His 2 feet are very attractive, and he is armed with various weapons such as the conch, disc, etc. Garuda joyfully offers prayers with great reverence. Sva Hartikamala Sambasam Kritvatu, Kavacham Pathet Nrsimhomeshara, Patu Loka Rakshartha Sambhava. Having seated Lord Narasimha Deva upon the lotus of one's heart, one should recite the following mantra. May Lord Narasimha, who protects all the planetary systems, protect my head. Sarvago Pistambha Vasa Phalam me Rakshatu Dvanim Nirsimho me Drshaupatu Soma Suryagni Lokana. Although the Lord is all-pervading, he hid himself within a pillar. May he protect my speech and the results of my activities. May Lord Narasimha, whose eyes are the sun and fire, protect my eyes. Smrtam me patu narahari munivarya stutipriya. Nasam me simhanashas tu mukham lakshmi mukapriya. My Lord Narhari, who is pleased by the prayers offered by the best of sages, protect my memory. May he who has the nose of a lion protect my nose. And may he, whose face is very dear to the goddess of fortune, protect my mouth. Sarva Vidyadipa, Patu Nrsimho Rasanam, Mama Bhaktaram, Patve Induvadanam, Sada Prahlada Vandita. My Lord Narasimha, who is the knower of all sciences, protect my sense of taste. May he whose face is beautiful as the full moon, and who is offered prayers by Prahlada Maharaja, protect my face. Narasimha Patu me Kantham Skandhau, Bhubad Anantakrit, Divyastra Shobhita Bhuja. Narasimha Patu me Bhujao. May Lord Narasimha protect my throat. He is the sustainer of the earth and the performer of unlimitedly wonderful activities. May he protect my shoulders. His arms are resplendent with transcendental weapons. May he protect my shoulders. Karao me deva varado, Narasimha Patu Sarvata, Hridayam Yogi Sadyash Chanivasam Patu Mihari. May the Lord, who bestows benedictions upon the demigods, protect my hands, and may he protect me from all sides. May he who is achieved by the perfect yogis protect my heart, and may Lord Hari protect my dwelling place. Madhyam Patu, Hiranyaksha, Vaksha Kukshi Vidarana, Nabhi me Patu Narahari, Svanabhi Brahma Samstuta. May he who ripped apart the chest and abdomen of the great demon, Hiranyaksha protect my waist, and may Lord Narhari protect my navel. He is offered prayers by Lord Brahma, who has sprung from his own navel. Brahmanda Kotaya, Katyam Yashyasau, Patu me Katim Guhyam, me Patu Guhyanam Mantranam, Guhyarupa Dark. May he, on whose hips rest all the universes, protect my hips. May the Lord protect my private parts. He is the knower of all mantras and all mysteries, but he himself is not visible. Uru Manobhava, Patu Januni Nararupa Drik Janghe, Patu Dhara Bhara, Hartayo Saunar Keshari. May he who is the original Cupid protect my thighs. May he who exhibits a human-like form protect my knees. May the remover of the burden of the earth, who appears in a form which is half man and half lion, protect my calves. Sura Raja Prada, Patu Padaume Nirharishvara, Sahasra Shirsha Purusha, Patume Sarvashastanum. May the bestower of heavenly opulence protect my feet. He is the supreme controller in the form of a man and lion combined. May the thousand-headed supreme enjoyer protect my body from all sides and in all respects. Manugra Purvata, Patu Mahaviragrajo, Gnita Mahavishnur Dakshine, Tu Mahajvalastu Nairta. May that most ferocious personality protect me from the east. May he, who is superior to the greatest heroes, protect me from the southeast, which is presided over by Agni. May the supreme Vishnu protect me from the south, and may that person of blazing luster protect me from the southwest. Paschime Patu Sarvesho, Dishimi Sarvato Mukha, Narasimha, Patu Vayavyam, Saumyam, Bhushana Vigraha. May the Lord of everything protect me from the west. His faces are everywhere, so please may he protect me from this direction. May Lord Narasimha protect me from the northwest, which is predominated by Vayu. And may he whose form is in itself, the supreme ornament, protect me from the north, where Soma resides. Ishanyam Patu Badro me Sarva Mangala Dayaka, Samsara Bayata Patu Mirtior, Mirtiur Narkeshari. May the all-auspicious Lord, who himself bestows all auspiciousness, protect from the northeast, the direction of the sun god. And may he who is death, personified, protect me from fear of death and rotation in this material world. Idam Narasimha Kavacham, Prahlada Mukha Manditam Bhaktiman, Ya Patenaityam Sarva Papai Pramuchate. This Narasimha Kavacha has been ornamented by issuing from the mouth of Prahlada Maharaja. A devotee who reads this becomes freed from all sins. Putravandanavan loke dirgayur upajayate yam kamayate kamam tam prapnoti asamshayam. Whatever one desires in this world, he can attain without doubt. One can have wealth, many sons, and a long life. Sarvatra jayam apnoti sarvatra. Vijayi bhavet bhumi antariksha divyanam grahanam vinivaranam. He becomes victorious who desires victory, and indeed becomes a conqueror. He wards off the influence of all planets, earthly, heavenly, and everything in between. Vrshchikoraga Sambhuta. Vishapaharanam param brahma rakshasa yakshanam, durotsarana karanam. This is the supreme remedy for the poisonous effects of serpents and scorpions, and Brahma Rakshasa ghosts and Yakshas are driven away. Bhujeva talapatreva kavacham likhitam shubham, kara mule dirtam yena siddhyeyu karma siddhaya. One may write this most auspicious prayer on his arm, or inscribe it on a palm leaf and attach it to his wrist, and all his activities will become perfect. Devasura manusheshu svam svam eva jayam labhet ekasandyam trisandyam vaya patan niyatonara. One who regularly chants this prayer, whether once or thrice, daily, he becomes victorious whether among demigods, demons, or human beings. Sarva Mangala, Mangalyam Bhuktim Muktim, Chavindati Dvatrim Shati Sahasrani Patet Shudatmanam Nirnam. One who with purified heart recites this prayer 32,000 times attains the most auspicious of all auspicious things, and material enjoyment and liberation are already understood to be available to such a person. Kavachasyasya, mantrasya, mantra, siddhi prajayate, anena, mantra, rajena, kirtva, bhasmabhir mantranam. This Kavacha mantra is the king of all mantras. One attains by it what would be attained by anointing oneself with ashes and chanting all other mantras. Tilakam bibriyad, yastu tasya graha bhayam, haritrivaram japamanas. Tudatam varyabhimantraya cha. Having marked one's body with tilaka, taking a chamana with water, and reciting this mantra 3 times, one will find that the fear of all inauspicious planets is removed. Prasayit yonaro mantram narasimhadyanam, acharet tasya roga pranashanti. Ye chashu kukshi sambhava. That person who recites this mantra, meditating upon Lord Narasimhadeva, has all of his diseases vanquished, including those of the abdomen. Kimatra bahunoktena Narasimha sadrsho bhavet manasa chintitam yatu sata chapnotya samshayam. Why should more be said? One acquires qualitative oneness with Narasimha himself. There is no doubt that the desires in the mind of one who meditates will be granted. Garjantam garjayantam, nija bhuja patalam, sfotayantam hatantam dipyantam tapayantam, divi bhuvi ditijam kshipayantam kshipantam krandantam, roshayantam dishi dishi, satatam samharantam bharantam, vikshantam purnayantam, karanikara shatair, divya simham, namami Lord Narasimha, roars loudly and causes others to roar. With his multitudes of arms, he tears the demons asunder and kills them in this way. He is always seeking out and tormenting the demoniac descendants of Diti, both on this earth planet and in the higher planets. And he throws them down and scatters them. He cries with great anger as he destroys the demons in all directions. Yet with his unlimited hands, he sustains, protects, and nourishes the cosmic manifestation. I offer my respectful obeisances to the Lord, who has assumed the form of a transcendental lion. Iti Shri Brahmanda, Purani Prahladoktam, Shri Narasimha Kavacham Sampurnam. Thus ends the Narasimha Kavaka, as it is described by Prahlada Maharaja in the Brahmanda Purana.